Hello, my name is Tanisha Martinez, and today I will be talking about a topic that touches all of us at some point in our lives: bereavement and grief. Whether it is the loss of a loved one, a friend, or even a pet, grief is a natural part of the human experience. This presentation will help us better understand what grief is, how it affects people emotionally and physically, and why it is important to talk about it. Okay, so what is bereavement and grief? Bereavement is the time we spend after losing someone close. Grief is how we emotionally react to that loss. It can include feelings of sadness, anger, confusion, or even relief, and it is different for everyone. There are several types of grief. Most people go through normal grief, which gradually ease, but some experience complicated grief, which lasts much longer and may need professional help. Anticipatory grief happens when you know the loss is coming, like when someone is very sick. And disenfranchised grief is when others do not recognize your loss, like losing a pet or miscarrying. Grief does not just affect emotions. It can take a toll on the body. People might feel exhausted, get headaches, or struggle with eating or sleeping. It can even feel like a fog that makes it harder to focus. These reactions are all normal, and they show just how deeply we can be affected by a loss. Coping with grief is personal. What works for one person might not work for another. It helps to talk, write your feelings, or spend time in nature. Support groups or therapy can offer comfort too. The most important thing is to give yourself permission to grieve. Healing takes time. I have a personally experienced grief after losing two people I love deeply, my grandpa and my stepdad. It was really painful and confusing time. I remember feeling like the world kept moving while I was just stuck in sadness. What helped me was talking to close friends and family and giving myself space to cry and feel. Over time, I realized grief does not just go away. You learn how to carry it. And it is true that we grieve deeply because we love deeply. I also learned that it is okay for a while, that sharing your story helps others feel less alone. My final thought it is that grief is not a weakness, it is a sign of love. The pain we feel is a reflection of how much someone meant to us. And when you are supporting someone grieving, you don't need the perfect words. Just your presence is enough. I also have two reflections that I love the most while I was preparing my presentation. And they go like this. The first one, grief changes shape, but it never ends, by Patty Davis. And you don't move on, you move forward with the loss. Thank you so much. I hope you guys like my presentation and learn how to understand a little bit of more what bereavement and grief means. Thank you so much again.